put the feed in the trailer and put her chain over the opening so only the babies could get in. The mamas couldn't get in. And so as a few days would pass, the children would get used to going in there. They'd start having, confidence that they were going to be okay. And then after 4 or 5 days, when there was 6 or 7 trapped in there eating, the chain would be pulled, the gate would slam, and the trailer would go out of the pasture. And the mothers would chase the trailer. They would chase the trailer all the way out the pasture, and the babies' eyes would be wide open and praying. The trailer would leave out of our own driveway, and the mama cows, as soon as that trailer would take a turn down Highway 35, all those cows would turn down the fence line, crying for their kids. And I didn't go vegan. Didn't even think about going vegan. I just cried. And my husband told me, Renee, you got to stop crying. You got to suck this up. You are a rancher's wife. This is what we do. We are feeding America. This is how we do it. This is how my grandpa did it. My great-grandpa did it. You need to be proud of this. And I wasn't. I wasn't proud of it. I hated it. But I'm not supposed to hate it. And so I swallowed it. I swallowed that. And because I'm not supposed to feel this. And so I swallow it. And I would go outside with the mamas that would cry for days. And I would cry with them. I would scream into the earth because I knew that the earth could contain my grief. And I would beg for the cows to forgive me. Then we'd do it again every 6 months. So it took me 4 years of that to finally be broken. The Red Trailer left in 2014. Yeah, we got into the whole humane meat and local dairy scene. But, the reason we did that is because I started doing all this guilt, right? And so I told my husband one day, I said, Tommy, how come we don't kill and eat our own cows? He said, I couldn't do that. I'm like, why? I started really asking questions, because I started noticing all these babies going to slaughter. We kept doing it, but yeah, we buy, our meat from, the grocery store. I'm like, why don't we kill our own? Well, because I know those cows. I'm like, really? So, you can't eat this one because 92. He used to call them by numbers, whatever tag was in there, he'd name them 92 or ED because of a brand it had on the side. That was their names for my husband. ED, 92, 106. I'm like, And so he couldn't eat 92 because he knew 92, but he could eat maybe his cousin that he didn't know. And that's what I would tell him. I said, so we can eat his cousin? I said, how do you know you're not eating 92 whenever we buy it at the grocery store? He said, well, I just don't want to, do that here. So I started, not purposefully, but because of the kind of person I am, I continued to ask questions and probe my husband for deeper understanding of what we were doing.